Currently trapped in Colin's bathroom because, yeah. Colin! Ah! You little fudge. Yeah?
I'm gonna set the toilet paper outside the door and then I'm gonna walk away, alright?
It's locked.
It's what?
It's locked.
I said I'm gonna set it outside the door.
Okay, how am I supposed to get over there?
I'll set it here. I don't know. Want to open that window over there?
Okay, is it?
Then I'll throw it in.
Alright.
Is that a fine idea?
It's not opening all the way.
Alright, that's it. I'm on your right.
Hold up. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Where are you?
Dang it, Kevin.
Where'd you go?
I'm outside. Yeah, I'm inside.
Alright. It's teamwork right there.
Sorry, Kevin.
Thank you for the teamwork. I'm gonna knock all these off. I feel like I broke this. But it's all good. Alright. Okay.